Hey, this is J.D. Oliver up here on Monteagle Mountain in Tennessee. My best friend Buddy. We're out here on one of these trails taking a walk today, and I just wanted to let y'all see some of what we're looking at. If you're taking any time off this spring to get out and enjoy the outdoors, consider coming up to Monteagle this time of year. During the spring, we've got a lot of rain and our waterfalls are at their peak. And Buddy and I are walking down the trail right now. We're going to kind of a hidden waterfall back here that not too many people know about. But this time of year you can find waterfalls on almost any trail that you walk on up here. As we get down here, you're going to hear the water running. It's going to get a little louder. This particular waterfall, like others up here, has many different waterfalls in the stream if you want to walk down through the stream. Right here you're looking at, it's coming off the mountain here, so it's sort of still until it gets over here where it's falling. Anybody love to come down here, wade around a little bit in the water, check it out. We're going to walk over here and get a little closer. Come on, buddy. We're going to have good looking waterfalls like this all the way through June probably, because we're going to have a lot of water. It won't get dry around here till toward the end of June, July, August. A lot of these waterfalls you can see from up on the side of the hill looking down. You can really get a good shot of a long view of the creek, and you'll see several waterfalls all the way down through here. But the South Cumberland is a mecca for waterfalls. We've got a video link on the Smokehouse webpage you can go to, titled Waterfalls of the South Cumberland. You ought to take a look at it because that outlines some of the significant waterfalls that we've got and shows you how to get to them. But this is just gorgeous. It's beautiful. It's unexpected out here in the middle of nowhere. Almost any trail up here has got waterfalls on it this time of year. You should really think about it. Come up, take some time off. You need a place to stay. We've got cabins at the Smokehouse. Just look up the smokehouse.com. Look up the Friends of the South Cumberland to get a lot of information about the South Cumberland. Our webpage has links that go to all the different groups up here on the mountain, and you can see what's going on at Swanee. You can check the schedule out at the Mountain Messenger. Check out other restaurants to go to, coffee houses, all the trails up here. There's another video that's on the web page too called the Trails of the South Cumberland, which outline where the major trails of the South Cumberland State Park are, and it'll show you exactly how to get there, how long they are, the campsites and things like that. But for a quick getaway, Monteagle's a great place to go. Bring your dog, bring your family, get out and enjoy the outdoors. Come here, buddy. This is my little friend, Buddy. Bring your little friend out and take a walk. Get outside. see what's going on in the Great South Cumberland State Park. Show you this waterfall from up here on the side of the hill. So here's the trail we're walking on, and over here is the edge of the bluff. Come on, buddy. Come on. When you're out here on these trails, the water's going to be going down through the hollows. Look down there, that beautiful waterfall. That's not the same waterfall in the other video, but it is the same stream. That waterfall is right downstream from the other one. You can see how there's another beautiful waterfall. And there's several more all the way down the mountain here. As you go out the bluff line here, you can look down and see all that. Or if you're more adventuresome, you can walk off the edge here and walk down there and get right down there in the water. Look at these views. Gorgeous weather up here this winter. Can't believe it. This is the kind of weather you can get out and walk in shorts. Almost short sleeve weather, probably would be for a lot of you. But it's beautiful, it's kind of cool, but it's just comfortable cool. Get out and take a look. Walk over here, buddy. Look at this. Show y'all, this is another vantage point for the water going down the mountain. You can hear it on the video, you can see it way down there. That's probably a couple hundred feet down where you see the water moving. But it's easy to access when we start at the beginning of the hollow there. Come on, buddy. Walk around here and show you what this view looks like from the point here. Look at this. South Cumberland Mountains in Tennessee. Right down there, some more water on the other side of the point. You walk down off the mountain here and go down to that area below that we're looking at, you would find where those two streams come together and make doubles the volume. It's just beautiful. Like I was saying, any trail up here basically has got, this time of year, has got a lot of great views and waterfalls. The view right now is unobstructed by leaves. Of course, the seasons up here, any Any season has its own special, unique views, and can't argue with the fall colors that we have up here, but the wintertime has its own unique qualities too. It's all free. I mean, come up here and walk the trails. Doesn't cost you anything. Time. Bring your family and bring your pets. If you're looking for a place to stay, check out Jim Oliver's Smokehouse, Lodge and Cabins. Monteagle, Tennessee. Also got a restaurant there. We specialize in smoked meats. But there's a lot of things to do up here on the mountain. There's a lot of coffee houses, sandwich shops, restaurants, all kinds of places to go. Right down there's the other stream from the other side. Give us the glamour shot, buddy. Look at these rocks. I mean, this is just, it's gorgeous. The weather's perfect, and you should get out here and enjoy it.